Well, this is the beginning of Diwali's dream. Got it cozier today. Got some shelves in. Got some totes underneath the bed with linens. Got the bed up. Got a 6-inch memory foam mattress. I got it today. It says it takes 72 hours to come up to 6 inches. I got the inflatable mattress up on top of that. I got 2 ways to inflate that mattress now. It's nice and cozy. Hopefully it looks cozy. I'm glad it is cozy. We got heat, kerosene lamp, propane, and we got indoor carpeting. Really nice. I'm very happy with it, very pleased. You know what they say,